Everybody, this is Matt with Low Cash Homestead. So right here, I got a couple of these little saplings. I have no idea what kind of tree this is. What I do know is that I'm going to weave it into this barbed wire. Because I'm going to put my Osages here, and I've got barbed wire. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this tree, since it's already growing here. I have no idea what it is. I'm going to go ahead and just weave it into the barbed wire. I'll plant my Osages and weave them into barbed wire. So on and so forth. So, like I said, I have no idea what kind of tree this is. I have no idea what this little tree is. I just know that it's here, so I'm going to make use of it. This is Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Okay, so here's another example. Here's the fence, and here is this Rosa Canada. And man, look at that stuff. I mean, this stuff grows to be really, really nasty. Now, it's not on the fence, but it's pretty close. So, ow, 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 it's got me, it's got me, it's got me, it's got me, ow, 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 ow. Damn. I told you it was nasty stuff. So it's pretty close. I'm gonna try and bend some of that in and weave it into this existing barbed wire. Matt Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Hey everybody, Matt with Low Cash Homestead. So this is that Rosa Canada. We wove that in. It did crack and break in a few places. I'm not all that worried about it. This stuff is pretty durable. And it's not just that. I wove into the fence any tree branch that was green enough and flexible enough and could reach. So you see it right here and down here and even here and these branches there, we wove those in. And so also even like a little closer, even like down there. And that's because barbed wire doesn't last forever, but trees will grow for a while. So and also we plan eventually down the road on putting some animals over here, and so I need something that's strong. Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Also, I've heavily, I don't want to say have heavily amended, but I've piled yard waste along the fence lines. I think since I got the sweeper, so year 2. And so we're digging into that, and this is way better dirt already than what I was digging up in the other areas where we're planting those trees. Now with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Okay, there's our Osage, and then put that in, and I just folded it over the spikes on that thing. Thorns. So I move back a little bit. See if you can see them. Let me tell you something. Winding some of these things into the barbed wire is way more treacherous than the damn barbed wire. So we're going to plant these Osages, and then we're going to weave them into the barbed wire so they can grow us a nice little wall here. And we'll, as they grow, we'll continue to weave them through. Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night.